Good morning all. On this online teaching learning platform of Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag project शाळा बंद पण शिक्षण सुरू. Yes, today is our English lecture and I am Anuja from Charkopgaon, Mumbai Marathi Public School. Today we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic. So, it is a chit chat activity. And students, in chit chat activity, we are doing discussion with the related topic. So, our today's topic is PV Sindhu, an icon of success. Let's begin our session with a motivational quote. That is thought of the day. Today is 23rd January 2021 and thought of the day is good players inspire themselves. Great players inspire others. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या सुवचनाचा अर्थ काय आहे पहा. गुड प्लेयर्स म्हणजे उत्तम खेळाडू. ते काय करतात? इतरांना प्रेरणा देतात. मग ही प्रेरणा कशाची असते? दे इन्स्पायर अबाउट द स्पोर्ट्समनशिप. स्पोर्ट्समनशिप म्हणजेच काय? खिलाडू वृत्ती. इज इट क्लिअर? पण त्यांचं ते इन्स्पिरेशन असतं. दॅट इज फॉर देमसेल्स. बट व्हॉट अबाउट ग्रेट प्लेयर्स? सो ग्रेट प्लेयर्स inspire others, and there are so many personalities of great players. Great players म्हणजे मूर्तिमंत असं खिलाडू वृत्तीचं एक उत्तम उदाहरण असणारा खेळाडू. हा खेळाडू काय करतो तर इतरांना आपल्या त्या संपूर्ण जीवनशैलीतून कसं वागायचं याबद्दल प्रेरणा देत असतो. सो गुड प्लेयर्स इन्स्पायर देमसेल्स अँड ग्रेट प्लेयर्स इन्स्पायर अदर्स. दिस इज टुडेज thought of the day. After completion upon this lesson, you will be able to speak in English about sport event in your school. You will be able to talk about sports using appropriate vocabulary and phrases. You will identify the sport equipments and at the end, you will match the game with the place where it is played. पहा, आपलं आजचं हे सेशन पूर्ण झाल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय येणं अपेक्षित आहे? तर आपल्या शाळेमध्ये जे वेगवेगळे खेळ होतात, खेळाच्या स्पर्धा होतात किंवा खेळाविषयी जे कार्यक्रम होतात, दॅट इज स्पोर्ट इव्हेंट, त्याबद्दल तुम्हाला माहिती सांगता आली पाहिजे, तुम्हाला माहिती लिहिता आली पाहिजे. देन आफ्टर you should talk about sport using appropriate vocabulary and phrases. खेळ या विषयाशी संबंधित जी काही शब्द संपत्ती आहे, जे काही शब्द समूह आहेत, ते तुम्हाला वापरता आले पाहिजेत. You should be able to identify the sports equipment. खेळ साहित्य तुम्हाला ओळखता येतच, पण इंग्लिश मध्ये त्याला काय म्हणतात, इंग्लिश मध्ये त्याचं नाव काय आहे, हे तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे. And lastly, in the activity or in the English workshop, there are so many types of questions. So you should be prepared to answer for that questions. So this is about the learning outcomes. Now students, I have told you that this is a chit chat activity. Here, 4-5 questions are there on the screen. Now, one by one, we will discuss on this question. So now, your participant is most important. Okay? So, are you ready to answer these questions? Okay. Any one of you can read the first question? Are you ready to read the first question? Yes, student. Please unmute your mic and read the first questions. Read the first question. Yes. Hurry up. The first question.
Do you like to watch the games?
Very good. What your good name? Tell me your good name. Very good reading by you. Okay. The first question is, do you like to play or watch the game? Okay. Who will give me the answer?
Yes, I like to play and I watch the cricket.
Yes, very good. What's your good name? Tell me your name.
Soham Shirude.
Soham. Very good, Soham. Very good response you. So Soham like to play and Soham likes to watch the games also. Soham loves to play cricket. Okay, Soham. Yes. Then the next question. Who will go to read this question? Yes.
Which game do you like to play?
Very good. Which games do you like to play? Can anyone give me the answer? Can anyone give me name of the games? Yes. Try to give the names.
I like cricket
Huh?
to play.
Yes. What's your good name?
Chanda Yadav.
Chanda likes to play cricket. Yes, Chanda. You are playing cricket. Very good. Though Chanda is girl, she loves to play cricket. Yes. I want more names from you students. Hurry up. तुम्हाला खेळांची नावं माहिती आहेत. तुम्हाला ती सांगता आली पाहिजे. Yes.
I like hide and seek.
to football.
Yes.
Harshule.
Harsh Sude likes to play football. Yes. Another answer from you. So many games are there. Just recall.
I like
Yes.
like to play tennis.
What's your good name?
like to play tennis. Sachin.
Sachin like to play tennis. Okay. Okay. One more answer I want. So tennis, cricket, football.
I like to hockey. Samiksha More.
Soham. Soham likes to play hockey. Yes. Anyone else?
Hockey. Rasika.
Rasika likes to play hockey. Yes. Yes. I want more answers. Hurry up, students. Yes, students, hurry up. Very good response from you. Okay. So, these are the names of...
Kho.
What's your good name? Yes, who likes to play Kho-Kho? What's your name?
Yashasvi Turvase.
Yeah, Yashasri likes to play Kho-Kho. So, students, these are the names of the games. Kabaddi. Yes.
Like you bat ball.
What's your good name?
Meghraj Santosh Patel.
Yeah, Meghraj likes to play bat ball. So these are the games you like to play. Very good, students. Pat on your back. Well done. Okay, the next question. Who is going to read the next question? Yes. Try to read, students. Now you are in 8th standard.
What are the some of our local Indian games?
Very good. What are some of our local Indian games? Okay. काय आहे या प्रश्नाचा अर्थ? आपले
आपल्या
भारतीय
इंडियाचे
खेळ
लोकल गेम कोणते?
भारतीय खेळांची
भारत
तुम्हाला नावं सांगायची आहे. ओके, नाव गिव्ह मी द आन्सर.
सोनसाखळी, पोलीस का चोर, नंतर झालं वडाची भुतडी.
वा वा वा. व्हॉट इज वडाची भुतडी? हु इज यू? व्हॉट इज युअर नेम? येस, व्हॉट इज युअर
सोहम
नेम?
शिरुडे.
सोहम, टेल मी व्हॉट इज वडाची भुतडी. सांगू शकशील का तू काय आहे हा गेम?
टीचर, त्याच्यात 3 ते 4 जण असतात. त्याच्यात एक म्हणजे आपण ज्याच्यावर डाव असतो तो बसलेला असतो आणि त्याच्याकडे आपण जर जेवण मागायला गेलो, जसं वनात जातो आपण, तसं जेवण मागायला जायचं त्याच्याकडे. त्याचं नाव विचारलं आपण आपण त्याच्याकडनं पाणी मागायचं, तो लगेच आपल्याला पकडायला पळतो.
हो,
जसं पळापळी.
wow, wow, very good, Som. I'm quite unfamiliar with this game. The name of the game is Vadachi Bhuttadi. Okay, now see.
किती सोंड.
Wow, wow. Yes. So there are so many Indian local games like Kabaddi, Kho-Kho, then Tip Cat, is it? Then Lagori, Atya Patya, and Sur Parambya, Lapachapi, that is hide and seek. So many local Indian games are there. त्याला आपण गावाकडचे खेळ असं सुद्धा म्हणतो. तर गावाकडची मुलं आणखीन वेगळे खेळ खेळतात आणि शिवाय आपण शहरातली मुलं जशी जागा मिळेल तसे आपण खेळ खेळत असतो. ओके, सो these are some local Indian games. Name of the local Indian games are Kabaddi, Atya-Patya, Surparambya, Vitti Dandu, Lagori, etc. etc. Okay, now the next question. Who will read the next question? Yes?
Who is your favorite sports person?
Wow. Who is your favorite sports person? Okay. Yashashri. Now tell me the answer also.
My favorite person is Sachin Kohli.
Okay. Sachin Kohli or Virat Kohli it is. I think it is Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli. You misplaced something. Okay. So.
Sorry, Sachin Tendulkar.
Yes. So correct yourself. It's Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli. So these are different personalities. Okay. So anyone else? Are you ready to give the answer? अजून सांगेल का या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर मला कोणी?
MS Dhoni. I like the player MS Dhoni.
Yeah, what's your good name?
Harsh Sule.
Harsh favorite sports person is MS Dhoni. Okay. Now the last question. Who is going to read the question? Yes, students. Hello. It's easy. What games are played in Olympics? Okay. Do you know what is Olympic? Students, Olympic is an important international sport event. We are going to track or gather more information about Olympic sports. Okay, so these are some questions we have discussed, and related with this question, the next activity is there. Okay, so students, these are the picture or the photos or images of Indian games. Okay, now see the first picture. Can anyone tell me name of this game? Yes, सांगा बरं ह्या पहिल्या गेमचं नाव काय आहे? See the arrow. What is this? This is top and knot. तुम्हाला भोवरा माहितीये ना, भोवरा फिरवणं. तुम्ही सगळी जण हा भोवऱ्याचा गेम खेळता. So this is one of the Indian game. Then this is the picture of
खो खो.
Kho. Very good. Now tell me Name of this
Ludo.
game?
Ludo.
Yes. Yes, this is Ludo. In ancient India, म्हणजे प्राचीन भारतात हा खेळ सारीपाट म्हणून सुद्धा खेळला जायचा. ओके.
टीचर याला एक नाव पण आहे अजून काय नाव आहे त्याचं?
येस, इन महाभारत, बरोबर. महाभारतामध्ये हा द्यूत असं म्हणतात याला. हा, द्यूत असं सुद्धा म्हटलं जातं किंवा ल्युडो. आताचं बदललेलं रूप आहे हे ल्युडो. ओके, व्हेरी गुड. देन दिस वन. See this one?
गोट्या.
Yes. So it is called as marble. Okay, this is a game of marble. Very good. Then this
Sir,
one?
टीचर या लुडोला अजून चौपट पण म्हणतात.
Oh, very good. Yes. So that is an Indian game. Yes. This one? See the chips of the stones? Do you know name of this game?
लगोरी.
Yeah,
Lagori.
this is a game of Lagori. Very good. And this one? This is quite familiar with you. See, two, three boys are playing with a wooden stick. What is that?
Kabaddi. Kabaddi.
No. See, there is a stick in that boy's hand. That is Viti Dandu. Name of the game is Viti Dandu. Yes. And lastly, name of this game is Sur Parambya. Is it clear to you? So these are some pictures of Indian games, and so many Indian games are there. So you should gather information, you should collect pictures and stick all the pictures in your notebook. Write the informations of that game, related game. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Okay. Students, see this chart. In the middle, see the middle rectangle. There are 5 circles. Okay. And in that 5 circles, pictures of some games are there. So this is all about Olympic Games. Is it clear to you? So do you know what is Olympic? Actually, Olympic Games is an important international sport event featuring summer and winter sport. Paha, Olympic Game हा दर 4 वर्षांनी येणारा क्रीडा क्षेत्रातील एक महत्वाचा असा कार्यक्रमच असतो. एक स्पोर्ट इव्हेंट आहे तो. लक्षात येते तुमच्या? अँड दे आर, सो ऑलिम्पिक इज हेल्ड एव्हरी 4 इयर. प्रत्येक 4 वर्षांनी हे ऑलिम्पिक गेम्स खेळले जातात. नाव, व्हॉट इज ओरिजिन ऑफ द ऑलिम्पिक? कुठून आले हे ऑलिम्पिकचे गेम? सो ओरिजिनली दिस ऑलिम्पिक गेम were held in ancient Greece at the village Olympia. प्राचीन ग्रीस मधल्या ऑलिम्पिया या खेड्यामध्ये सुरुवातीचा अगदी पहिला जो ऑलिम्पिक गेम सुरू झाला तो ग्रीस मधल्या, प्राचीन ग्रीस मधल्या ऑलिम्पिया या खेड्यामध्ये, आणि म्हणून त्याला ऑलिम्पिक गेम्स असं म्हटलं जातं. नाव there are so many games included in these Olympic Games. Yes. Now, again it is your turn. See the picture. There are names given below the pictures. So, you are going to read the name of the picture one by one. Okay. The first one is Soham. Yes. Read the name. Hurry up, students.
Archery.
Yeah, the first one is archery. Yeah, then second one is athletics. Okay, what is that? Athletics. Then badminton. Okay, who will read the fourth one? It is easy and you know the game too. Yes, what is that? It's basketball. Okay.
Basketball.
Yes. Then beach volleyball. Then after boxing, then cani slalom. Then cani sprint. Okay. Then cycling. Cycling mountain bike. Then cycling road. Cycling track. Okay, so there are 4 types of sports related with cycling. Then diving, then equestrian, dressage, then equestrian event, equestrian jumping, see, fencing, that is talwarbaji, then football, gymnastic artistic, then gymnastic rhythmic, gymnastic trampoline, then handball, hockey, judo, modern pentathlon, rowing, sailing, shooting, swimming, synchronized swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, triathlon, volleyball, water polo, weightlifting, and wrestling. So these are the names of the games held in Olympics. हा सगळा चार्ट तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचा आहे. And the last question, you are going to answer the question with the help of this chart. ऑलिम्पिक मध्ये कोणते कोणते गेम्स खेळले जातात असा तुम्हाला प्रश्न आहे. On page number 80 in our textbooks, the last question of chit chat activity, that is, what games are played in Olympics. So these are the name of the games with the picture. So this is a chart. So write any of or write all the names of the games related with that questions. Okay. I hope you have got the clear idea about the Olympic Games. Okay, students. Now, again it is your turn. Here are some sport equipments. मगाशीच मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की तुम्हाला खेळ साहित्यांची नावं सांगता आली पाहिजेत. इट इज क्लिअर टू यू. त्याचप्रमाणे ते खेळ साहित्य पाहून तुम्हाला त्या खेळाचं पण नाव सांगता आलं पाहिजे. सो हिअर इज द ऍक्टिव्हिटी फॉर यू नाव. व्हॉट इज दॅट? सो हिअर आर स्पोर्ट इक्विपमेंट्स. You are going to write the name of the game or name of the sport near the sport equipment shown below. लक्षात येते तुमच्या? नीट तुम्ही ते चित्र पाहायचं आहे. प्रत्येक चित्र पाहून तुम्हाला एकतर त्या खेळाचं नाव सांगायचं आहे किंवा त्या साहित्याचं नाव सांगितलं तरी चालेल. So watch carefully and guess and tell me name of that game. Okay, the first one is, yes, what is this? So tell me name of the game. Yes, students.
Hockey.
No, the first picture. Students, see the arrow.
Badminton, Soham Shirude.
Very good. So the correct answer by Soham Shirude. Yes, this is the racket of badminton. So name of the game is badminton. Okay. Then actually the second picture with red and black in square. The picture is not clear. But students, this is a picture of bat. Okay. These are also photos of rackets. Can you guess the name of this game? Actually, the picture is not clear in textbook also. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. But can you guess?
Table tennis.
Yeah, very good. It is the name of the game is table tennis. Very good. Though the picture is not clear, you have given the correct answer. Very good. Now, let's see the next sport equipment. Yes. What is this? See the 3 rods. What is this? You're quite familiar with this game. Yes, tell me name of this game.
Yashashri.
Yes, Yashasri, very good. So these are stumps and bell, and it is used while we are playing the cricket. ह्या स्टंप आणि बेल आहेत आणि याचा उपयोग कुठे होतो? क्रिकेट या खेळात होतो. सो नेम ऑफ दिस गेम इज क्रिकेट. येस, नाव. नेक्स्ट वन, दिस stick. Yes,
Hockey. Rasika.
very good. So this is hockey stick and name of the game is, name of the game is hockey. And what about this? The ball is of football. So name of the game is football. Now, can anyone tell me what is this? See the long
Hello,
rod.
ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello? Yes? Yes?
ते खेळतात बघा ग्रीन बोर्ड वर ते आठवत नाही थोडस.
Okay, just guess. तुम्हाला भाला फेक माहितीये का? भाला फेक?
हा.
हा. So yeah. So त्याला मराठीत भाला फेक म्हणतात. But
जेवलीन.
javelin. Okay, very good. And this is badminton and this is javelin. Okay. So name of the game is javelin. And you know this is a shuttlecock. We are playing. When we are playing badminton, that time we are using this racket and this shuttlecock. And actually it is a dart. Again the next picture, it is not clear. We are not getting any clear idea about this picture. So just left that picture. Okay. Now see, we have given the name of that sport with the help of equipment. We have guessed. म्हणजे आपण काय केलं? हे तुम्हाला खेळ साहित्य दिलेलं होतं. So with the help of sport equipment, you are going to identify the name of the games and you did the activity very nicely. खूप छान तुमचा रिस्पॉन्स आहे. Again, the first game is badminton, then table tennis, then cricket, then hockey, football, javelin, and badminton. Okay, students. Now let's move to the next activity. Okay, here the activity is match the game with the place where it is played. You are going to match A with B. In column A, there are name of the games, okay? And in column B, there are places where it is played. It is clear to you? पहा काय आहे, ए मध्ये तुम्हाला सर्व खेळांची नावं दिलेली आहेत आणि बी मध्ये तुम्हाला ते खेळ कुठे खेळले जातात याबद्दल त्या प्रत्येक खेळाच्या ठिकाणाचं तुम्हाला नाव दिलेलं आहे. ओके, नाव it is your turn again. You are going to match the game with their place. Okay, the first one is cricket. Yes, कुठे खेळता?
Ground.
Okay, let's check the answer whether it is correct. Okay, very good. So we are playing cricket in the ground. The next one.
Court. Badminton playing on court.
Yeah, badminton playing at court. Let's see whether it is correct. Very good. The answer is correct. So badminton we are playing in court. Okay. The next one. Okay. Guess students. Name of the
Court.
okay. Let's check the answer. So golf and the game golf. Playing in course. कुठे खेळला जातो? Course मध्ये खेळला जातो. Okay. Then fourth one. Yes, the fourth one.
Boxing playing at arena.
Boxing. It is played at arena. Very good. Fifth one.
Ring.
Yes,
Ring. Skating.
skating. Yeah, let's check the answer. Very good. So, skating, it is played at rink. Very good. And the
Carrom.
lastly, carom. So, carom is played at board. Okay, very good. So, again, we will read all the answers. So, cricket at ground, badminton at court, golf at course, boxing at arena, skating at board, and skating at rink and carom at board. So these are the games and places where it is played. Now students, on page number 84, there is an activity of preparing profile. It is called as fact file also. Here is a picture of PV Sindhu, that is Pusarla Venkata Sindhu. Let's take more information about PV Sindhu, an icon of success. पहा, यशाचं मूर्तिमंत उदाहरण. आयकन ऑफ सक्सेस म्हणजे यशाचं मूर्तिमंत उदाहरण PV सिंधू. हा पाठ आपल्याला शिकायचा आहे. बट इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दॅट लेसन. बिफोर दॅट यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेअर अ प्रोफाईल और फॅक्ट फाईल ऑफ PV सिंधू. पूर्ण PV सिंधूंची माहिती ही आपल्याला लिहायची आहे. So that is called as profile or fact file. Now let's see about PV Sindhu. So what is her full name? Her full name is Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, that is PV Sindhu. What is her date of birth? Her date of birth, the year has been given. It is 1995. Her father is PV Ramana. Her mother is PV Jaya. PV Sindhu is from Andhra Pradesh. So, native place of PV Sindhu is Andhra Pradesh. PV Sindhu started badminton at the age of 8. Her first coach is Mehboob Ali and her second coach is Pullela Gopichand. It is clear to you? So, this is an example of how you are going to prepare a fact file of any personality. तुम्ही एखाद्याची प्रोफाईल किंवा फॅक्ट फाईल तयार करण्यासाठी जे मुद्दे असतात ते मुद्दे आता आपण इथे पाहिलेले आहे. Okay, let's see the next one. The first major achievement as junior. What is PV Sindhu's first major achievement as junior? So, in the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. पहा तिचं पहिलं यश. तर हे पहिलं यश कुठे मिळालं तिला त्याच्याबद्दल इथे माहिती दिली आहे. Then her first international win. So she won a bronze medal at the 2019 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo. Which honor she received? The first one is Arjun Award as 2013, then Padma Shri Award at 2015, then Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award at 2015. Then, which is her greatest win? In 2016, she won silver medal in the finals in the Rio Olympics. Have you got it? And lastly, what is PV Sindhu's great strength? So her great strength is her attitude अँड नेव्हर से डाय स्पिरिट. लक्षात येते तिचं बळ, तिची ताकद, तिचं सामर्थ्य काय? तर तिच्या व्यक्तिमत्वाचं विविध पैलू आणि तिची विचारधारा काय आहे? नेव्हर से डाय. खूप छान आहे हे वाक्य. आपण याच्याबद्दल अधिक पुढच्या भागामध्ये जाणून घेणार आहोत. सो हर ग्रेट स्ट्रेंथ इज हर ॲटिट्यूड अँड नेव्हर से डाय स्पिरिट. We will look after what is never say die spirit. It is very important in the sportsmanship. उत्तम खेळाडूसाठी हे अतिशय महत्वाचं असतो. So what is that spirit? We will look in the next session. Okay, now this is all about profile of PV Sindhu. Now, as an example, I have given here your favorite sport personality. I have given same points. Okay, so with the help of this point, you are going to prepare a profile or a fact file of Sachin Tendulkar. Not only Sachin Tendulkar, तुम्ही तुमच्या आवडीचा स्पोर्ट्समनशिप, विच इज युअर फेवरेट स्पोर्ट्समन, ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेअर अ प्रोफाईल ऑफ दॅट स्पोर्ट्समन. इज इट क्लिअर? असं नाहीये की तुम्ही फक्त सचिन तेंडुलकरच प्रोफाईल किंवा फॅक्ट फाईल करायचंय. तुमचा आवडता खेळाडू, युअर फेवरेट स्पोर्ट पर्सन. सो यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेअर अ प्रोफाईल or a fact file of your favorite sports person with the help of the given points. What are they? Full name, date of birth, his father, mother, his or her native place. I have prepared for myself. So with the help of this point, you are going to prepare a profile. Okay. So the full name, date of birth, his father, his mother, his native place, when he started cricket at the age of, who is the first coach, what is the first major achievement, then first international win, honors received, and his great strength. Okay, या पद्धतीने तुम्ही कुठल्याही क्षेत्रातील तुमचा आवडता खेळाडू याबद्दल एक प्रोफाईल तयार करायचा आहे. सो दिस इज a project for you. You are going to prepare a profile with the help of these some points. Okay. Then the next activity is prepare a list of indoor and outdoor games. Collect some pictures also and write short information about that game. Is this clear to you? So this is the second activity. काय करणार ह्या ऍक्टिव्हिटी मध्ये तुम्ही? इनडोअर अँड आउटडोअर गेम्स. घरात खेळले जाणारे किंवा कुठेही एखाद्या कोर्टमध्ये खेळले जाणारे काही खेळ किंवा प्रत्यक्ष मैदानावर खेळले जाणारे खेळ याबद्दल तुम्हाला त्यांचे फोटो जमवायचे, त्याचप्रमाणे त्यांची माहिती आणि त्यांची नावं तुम्हाला लिहायची आहे. इफ पॉसिबल तुम्ही स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंटची नावं पण लिहायची आहे. म्हणजे तो खेळ खेळण्यासाठी कोणतं खेळाचं साहित्य लागतं ते सुद्धा तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे. सो दिस इज अ सेकंड प्रोजेक्ट फॉर यू. ओके, सो दीज आर सम ऍक्टिव्हिटीज. Very good response from you in this chit chat activity. In the next session, we are going to take all information about PV Sindhu, a success icon of success. PV Sindhu या उत्तम खेळाडू बद्दल किंवा यशाचं मूर्तिमंत उदाहरण म्हणजेच PV सिंधू, तिच्याबद्दल आपण पुढील पाठातून माहिती घेणार आहोत. सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज सेशन. व्हेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम यू. हॅव अ नाईस डे. थँक्स अ लॉट.